everyone, welcome back to Indian Wonder Girl. This is me Pooja, and today we'll be seeing a simple, easy video or a lecture or a seminar on particle theory and states of matter. This topic is in chemistry and most people think this is a super tough topic, but let me make it easy to you. You can surely understand what is particle theory and what is states of matter by watching this video. So let's go. There are three states of matter. There are solid, liquid, and gas. Today we'll be seeing about three of these states of matter or components. So let's go. First, let's start with solid. Right now, you're probably sitting on a chair using a mouse or a keyboard that is resting on a desk. All these things are solids. Something is usually described as a solid if it can hold its own shape and it's hard to compress or squash. The particles in most solids are closely and tightly packed together. Even though the particles are locked into place and cannot move or slide past each other, they still can vibrate a tiny bit. Ice is water in its solid form or straight. Ice keeps its shape when frozen, even if it is removed from its container. However, ice is different from most solids. Its molecules are less densely packed than in liquid water. This is why ice floats. Number 2. Liquid, which is the second state of matter. The simplest way to determine if something is a liquid is to ask this question. If I try and move it from one container to another, example by pouring, will it conform or take on the shape of the new container? If you take a glass of water and pour it into another glass, it clearly conforms. It takes on the shape of the glass. If you spill the water, it will go everywhere because if it isn't in a container, it conforms to the shape of the floor, making a big puddle. In most liquids, the particles are less densely packed, giving them the ability to move around and slide past each other. While a liquid is easier to compress than a solid, it is quite still difficult. Imagine trying to compress water in a confined container, guys. Now let's see a few examples of these liquids. They include oil, water, blood, milk, and many more. You could take an example of cold, chill water too. Now, let's go for the last state of matter. You might not think this is so simple, right? We already completed 2 of them. Okay, let's go for the third one, which is the final one, but it is not the least, which is the gas. The atoms and molecules in a gases are much more spread out than in solids or liquid. They vibrate and move freely at high speeds. A gas will fill any container, but if the container is not sealed, the gas will escape. Gas can be compressed much more easily than a liquid or a solid. Do you think about compressing a gas in your car tire and in gas cylinders? Okay, right now you're breathing in air, a mixture of gases containing many elements such as oxygen and nitrogen too. So that's all. We come to the end of our lesson and we've already learned 3 states of matter, which is solid, liquid, and gas. In solid, the particles are tightly packed and they cannot move or free flow. They can only vibrate, but in liquid they're a bit more loose. They can flow and they can take the shape of the container. And in gas, they take the shape of the container, but they are still more free than liquid or solid. They can move anywhere, like us. Humans, we can go anywhere. We are like gas, so spread your wings in science and study and have a great time. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to Indian Wonder Girl. If you want more of these information, contents, seminars, and lectures, subscribe to Indian Wonder Girl and comment below what is the topic which you need help in. Bye!